Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, fog lamps. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.